Hello Kennedy teachers, this is part 2 for the Chromebook return spreadsheet directions. Once you have your roster check performed, we're going to actually be using this spreadsheet to do collections on the day of collection. So as you get ready, either in your advisory or your 6th hour to collect Chromebooks, you want to log back into the spreadsheet. Again, I'm using the Kennedy Seniors Chromebook return. There will also be spreadsheets for juniors, freshman, and sophomore advisories. Once you're into the spreadsheet, you're going to want to click on this little down arrow next to the filters to find your class of students. I'm going to use BCCAs here. Once you select that, you should only be dealing with your students. You'll notice that if your roster check was performed, that's all right here, and it's basically set and ready to go. From here on out, it's up to you to collect Chromebooks from your students. As you collect Chromebooks from your students, you'll follow these steps. Have your students open the Chromebook, turn it on, they'll show it to you. As they show it to you, just double check to make sure that there's no screen damage or make sure that it's working. If everything is in working order, you're going to go onto the spreadsheet and you're going to select the status here. If the Chromebook is okay, you're going to click yes. If not, you're going to select one of these other ones here. As you start to enter this, you'll also check to see whether they return their charger. You'll find rubber bands in your bin to give to each one of the students as well. They can use that to wrap up their cords and make sure that it's not a giant tangled mess. And finally, you're just going to make sure that they have a case with their Chromebook. So as you go through each student, make sure to collect them and put them into the bins alphabetically if at all possible. And as you do this, make sure that you collect all Chromebooks and put them in the bins first, and then finally you can put the pile of chargers on top or in a separate box if you need to. Again, last video I think I showed a method of copying and pasting using that method. We're going to try to stay away from that method. Instead, if you need to do some copying and pasting, just use either edit copy and edit paste, or you can use the shortcut, which is Command C and Command V. So again, if I want to go through this a little bit quicker, I can copy my yes, and as students turn in their Chromebooks, I can just paste it in here as I need to. You'll notice that if a student doesn't return a Chromebook, or if there's some sort of an issue, or if they're absent, again, absence will be an option on here. You just select that and it's going to actually highlight the row. That's going to make it stand out to us. The final thing is there's a notes column here if a student turns in 2 chargers, or if a student has stickers on their Chromebook, or if there's something else you want to tell us about that collection, you can enter it right in the notes column here. That's it for step 2. Best of luck with your Chromebook returns. If you have any questions, make sure to contact the Chromebook Genius Bar, and thank you for watching.